Don't believe the lie.
Shalom, family.
Shalom, family.
This is Meleki Yashar'El
And I'm Hasadyah.
of Servants of YAH. And we just touching bases with everyone. Pray that your Shalom, your Shabbat is going well this evening. We're actually at our campsite tonight. As you can tell, we listen to nature in the background, all YAH's creation, and we're out in the midst of it, family. And we just want to let you guys know that whatever it is that you're going through, whatever it is that's on your heart, just continue to put the Most High YAH first in all that you do. Just want to give you a little heads up. Even today with us, family, you know, we face some challenges. But at the end of the day, the Most High YAH worked through people that normally you wouldn't even think would help you, family. But at the end of the day, these individuals were there. And just go to show you that the Most High YAH can work through anyone, no matter who they are, no matter what circumstance they're in, no matter what, family. Everything at the end of the day is used for His glory. And I just thank the Most High for everything that He's done for us in our lives and strengthening us and allowing us to overcome everything that we face. So, and we're going to continue to put our faith and our belief and our trust in the Most High YAH in all that we do, and ask Him to continue to strengthen us, you know, each and every day that we are blessed enough to be awakened in this day and age, family, because times are going to get harder and harder and harder by the second, family. And if you're not rooted in His Word, I don't know what to say, family. You're just things are really going to be tough for you. And it's already tough for the Kodashim family. But for the people that despise the Most High YAH and ridicule Him and don't think His Word is a laughing matter, you will see. You will see. You will see, family. So we're at our campsite. We got everything set up. We just finished eating, and we're just, you know, out here, like I said earlier, just enjoying YAH's creation, YAH's beautiful creation. You know, the insects, they're talking to one another and whatnot, and, you know, all the creatures of the night, they're talking to one another, and we're in the midst of it, family. We're in the midst of it. And, you know, one of the things that, you know, we always keep in mind is, you know, what would it be like if it was like this all the time, where we just was in the midst of YAH's creation and we didn't have all these things of man to fall back on, you know, electricity, you know, TV, cable, and, you know, all these things. You know, you don't even think about being in the midst of YAH's creation until you have to maybe go to work or something like that, or, you know, things like that you just don't think twice about. But it's going to come a time, family, when all these things of man that we take for granted every day, you're not going to have. You're not going to have. So, keep pushing forward, family. Keep pushing forward in all that you do. Continue to ask the Most High YAH to, you know, give you wisdom, discernment, the ability to see people for who they really are, whether good or evil, family. Because that's important. You know, the people that's not on the same wavelength as you, in particular, if you're one of those people that's trying to pursue the will of the Father, you need to be wary of for people that are not. Because if not, they're going to drag you down with it. You know. So, Shabbat Shalom, family. My word for this evening is do not take anything for granted, family.
That's a good word, Ahch.
Yep. Take anything for granted. Your life. The ability to be able to use all your limbs and to be able to have all your faculties intact and be able to communicate with your fellow man. All these things that people take for granted, family.
Yes.
Do not take anything for granted, family, because just look around you. People are passing away at a higher rate than they were before, left and right. You never know when your time is up, family. You got people like me and Asha and other people out there that are spreading the word, and people just going about their daily lives and just blowing it off. But sooner or later, family, that's why we harp on this, because times are getting short, and you don't want to be like one of these people where judgment day comes and Yah is asking you all these questions and you don't know what to say. Because he's gonna reveal to you all those times that he gave you the opportunity to come back to him, to pursue him. And each time that you blew him off, that's going to be revealed to you. So what are you going to say? You blew it off and you went to the mall and purchased this new pocketbook that you wanted, or you went to the car dealership and you wanted this new vehicle, or you didn't want to watch anything in regards to the Most High Yah, you turn it to some reality TV show or whatever, so you engage in all the things of not of Yah, thinking that that's gonna satisfy you. That's only a temporary fix. A temporary fix that leads you straight to damnation, family. So, thank you for all the people that tune in to our educational videos and our live streams, recorded videos. We thank all you people for that, and we just want to continue to present material that's edifying and more importantly, that's pleasing to the Most High Yah and glorify His name. And thank you for all the people that take the time to share our content, because in this day and age, we need the word more than ever, family. And with all this wickedness that's going on, it's easy to get bogged down in thinking that there's no positive messages out there, but they are. You just have to search for it, and you just have to want it. So, thank you for all those, and thank you for all the people that are awakened. Continue to be the light that you are, and be the example that the Most High Yah wants you to be. And enough of all the backbiting and the back and forth and all this, because when we're out there during the second Exodus, there's going to be a purging. And the people that are complaining and backbiting on one another and thinking that you got it made because you awaken and all this, if you're not doing right by the Most High God, you're going to be purged out. So, thank you again, family, for joining not only us, but YAH's night creatures.
All of YAH's creation.
All of YAH's creation. So, Shabbat Shalom, family.
Shabbat Shalom, family.
Praise Yah. Continue looking up. And Shalom.
Shalom.